today's video, I will be showing you how to apply your foundation like you have no foundation on. Yeah. Do you like that? Let me know in the comment section. And in case you're seeing me for the first time, hello, hi, welcome to the channel. Around here, I share beauty and lifestyle related content. But first, I'm going to tell you that this technique or this tool that you probably need to apply this doesn't cost you a thing. Okay, it's not a beauty sponge. It is not the most expensive brush out there. Guess what the technique is? Hey people, welcome back to the channel. It's Rhodia. Yeah! So if you already like what I'm sharing with you, or you like the little energy or the vibe that you're getting from this video, kindly like this video, share and subscribe if you like what you see. Okay, you already know from the title, I'm going to show you how to apply your foundation like you have no foundation on. For you to have that simple effect of no foundation on you, I'm dropping that for you today. Okay, so if you're that person that's been struggling with how to apply a foundation, I'm going to show you this very simple beneficial technique that you need to apply your foundation. All right, so we have the product here on a brush. Let's give my face this. I don't know if you are feeling me. A lot of foundation, you see it there. See how much product I kept on the brush. Most foundation brushes, they give you streaks. See, can you see those little lines? They give you streaks on your face. So another thing is we'll be having a giveaway for this month. Like, it took me so long to announce this giveaway. So everything for this giveaway is in this box right here. I'll be giving away some brushes from Box Cosmetics, and I also have a few other products that I'll be giving away. Just that this box came in so handy that everything just fits in this box. In here, this is what the package looks like, right? We've got the brush set in there. I got the set of I think 14 brushes and 6 accessories. So from the 14 brushes, I also wanted to try out their new collection of brushes. I took out 4 for myself. I already used them, which I absolutely love. Usually their brushes comes in black, but since they got this new launch, I can see they have purple and they have pinks. Yeah, so these are the other brushes in here. So there's going to be a lucky winner that will be getting these brushes. It comes with the details of what the brush is and what it does in there. It comes with how to care for your brush. So what I'm also including in this giveaway is this eyeshadow palette here from Hip Dot. This is a beautiful palette. The next thing that I'll be giving away is this blush right here from Pretty Vulgar, and the next is from Benefit. This is their eyebrow pencil, so this is to highlight your brows. The other product in this giveaway is from Shaded Beauty, and this is their Attitude Savage Core Gel Liner, and it also comes with a sharpener, so you'll be getting this. And that's about what's in this package. Yeah, so also from Box, these accessories came with it. It's got some brush guards in it and also a mirror. Let me tell you something in case you don't know. Box brushes is a Ghanaian owned brand, and for me, I feel like this brand gives you good quality for what you pay for, right? Also, this is from a Ghanaian owned brand, and I absolutely love this product right here. Okay, so that's the giveaway items. Unfortunately, this time around I would not be open to international giveaway. The last giveaway that we got, the winner was in Nigeria. Despite the fact that it's a West African country, it's still a bit hard to get this product across. So for that reason, because I'm still very much a growing channel, right, these products, I got them with my own coins. Everything is from me. So I would open this giveaway only to residents in Ghana. So all you need to do is follow me on Instagram, Beauty by Rodia, and subscribe to this channel. And the other information would be directed to the Instagram account. So in case you're not following me on Instagram, hurry up, go follow me there, and all the information will be on there. The intention is for me to do giveaway till the end of the year. So hopefully, let's see how that goes. If I'm able to pull products together, just like share my little package with somebody out there, right? And I also have a friend right here on YouTube that our intention is to have giveaway till the end of the year. Go check her out. Our channel is Rose Lomo TV. She does giveaways as well. And aside the giveaway, you might just want to, you know, support a friend out there. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, my love. So first thing first, you want to be sure you have your clean hands, and also your skin is going to be prepped for the routine that we are going for, which is the foundation application, right? So for moisturizing, I will be using the Bloom Effect Royal Tulip Nectar Moisturizer. So this is what this looks like. This looks like a yummy stuff, you know. Let me show you what this is. So I'll be using this moisturizer right here to moisturize my face. One key tip for foundation application is it does well with moisturizing, good hydration, and of course a nicely exfoliated skin. So if you are the type that loves to wear foundations, you want to be sure that you have a good skincare regimen in place for your foundation to look beautiful, effortless, and seamless. Like, you don't even need a lot of foundation, honestly, for this. These are the foundations that I've been using. I love to mix both of them together. Are they both my shades individually? Yes, but there's just one thing with me. I love to mix products. I don't know why. This product right here retails for $35, and this retails for $36. But for the purpose of this video, I want to try out another thing by using another foundation that I've never tried out before. This is, well, it's not a foundation, it's supposed to be a multi-use sculpting concealer. This is from Too Faced. That retails for $29. So I'll be trying out this product. Now you'll probably say, oh, these are only high-end foundations. Guess what, guys? These were my go-to foundation, and these are drugstore foundation. This is the Ordinary Colors and the Fit Me Poreless by Maybelline, and these are drugstore foundations. They are usually less than $10. Yeah, so I don't use them anymore because it's already expired. And in case you don't know how to determine when your products are expired, let me know if you want me to share a video about that. Right after my skin prep, I go in with my translucent powder. I go all over my face to prep my face, so to say. I'm not gonna put a lot of that. You just want to give it a little nice coverage, you know, and you blend into the skin properly. I'm using the brush from Complex Culture, and this is their press, set, and bronze brush. I love multi-purpose brushes. When you use this technique, if you are the type that actually have oily skin, this is also going to help you. This is the tool that I promise you that you would love to apply your foundation with. I promise you that once you try this, you'll probably not want to use a beauty sponge anymore, a brush anymore, as long as you are patient applying this. Using your fingers for your foundation is one of the best thing that has happened to me. I'm not big on foundation, but because of this technique, I'm now open to trying out foundations. So I'm going to be mixing both of them together. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation with my index finger, and all I'm just going to do is gradually apply the product first under my eye, right? It's always better to start from one area and you gradually move on to the next. Love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it? It's always better to start small. Now, with this foundation that I'm using, sometimes it gives me the opportunity to like go in like that and rub in the product, and that's because this is a tinted moisturizer, so it also gives you that like going in with your finger, like just rubbing it in. If you want to build on some coverage, I like to press in the foundation, because again, it's not all foundation that is a tinted moisturizer, and I already mixed this with the Fenty Beauty foundation, right? So at this point, because I'm getting to my cheeks, I can decide to go with a double finger. Process is a process that you don't want to rush at all. Like, it takes longer, a little longer than the usual foundation application process, but until you try this before you know if this is for you or not for you. So this is me up close to you. Go into your lid. I've been feeling neglected, and so I'm done with one half of the face. Yeah, now I'm going to the other half of the face. Of course, you don't want to forget your chin and your jawline. You know, this is my foundation application. Now for you, in case you still need more coverage, I'm going to be applying this under my eye as well, because I can use it to conceal, contour, and highlight. So again, this is very close to my shade, but I really don't mind. So I'm going to apply this, starting with my right side. You definitely want your first coat of application to dry down before you apply anything else. So can you build on this? Yes, but what is the point of building on when you want it to be a no foundation makeup look, right? You don't want to also use too much foundation, because then it will be obvious that you used foundation, right? So let me just put a little bit of the concealer under my eye. This is so much my shade, so probably this even works as a foundation shade for me. Right. Now I'm going to ensure that my foundation dries up completely and settles in completely. So here's a quick fanning session. You know, your foundation doesn't like heat, huh? That's one thing with this thing. You don't want a situation whereby you're applying your foundation and everything just feels separated. Like that is from your foundation, and then you don't blend well, you keep applying other products, the powder, the highlighting, contour, like, okay. Now at this point also, you can decide to give your face a mist and let the fanning just dry things down for you. Once you apply your product and you feel like you have excess on your face, that is when I love to go in with a beauty sponge to extract the excess. Now using the LaRousse Kabuki brush in LR332, I'm just going to blend everything that I've done on my face. Now going in with my Black Opal Ultra Matte powder, I'm going to finish up or set my face with the powder with the same brush from Complex Culture. Okay, so you see, that is all I have to do with this. Can you contour with this? Definitely you can. For me, I don't like foundation contouring. I prefer to do powder contour, so I'll be using this product right here. But before I do that, I don't want an intense highlighter, so I'm going to be using the Sasha Buttercup, of course, to highlight my under eyes just a little bit. We don't want too much, right? With this, can you use a beauty sponge? Of course you can. For this purpose, you can use a beauty sponge if you want. I'm just going with the La Rousse highlighter brush. This is LR308. When you want me, when you want me, I'm just flowing from Miami.
Let's start a conversation when you spend your time with me. You're speaking my love language. Talk to me.
Alright, so I'm back now, and this is the finished look of my no foundation look. I'm looking in the mirror. So there you go. And I absolutely love this. You guys, come close. Like, see? It doesn't have to like cover completely your flaws. My flaws is still peeking through. You see those little guests right there, about 2 or 3 of them peeking through, and I'm completely fine with that. Okay, so this is it. My turban is from BALKYZ turban. You can check them out on Instagram. So the purpose of this video was to create content for my Scarf Girl account on Instagram. You can definitely check that out as well. Yeah, I'm going to be creating all these pieces and be putting it on Instagram for you guys. Whilst I was filming, yeah, my beauty box came. I'm not going to be unboxing this here. I've not been doing that for some time. This particular one, I'll be unboxing it on Beauty by Rodia Instagram account. So the kind of support that you're supporting me here on YouTube, go support me there as well. Yeah, so I don't know what is in here. We are going to find out together what is there. I hope you do enjoy this one. If you do, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I will see you guys on the next one, and don't forget to enter for the giveaway. You can see you don't need an expensive foundation brush to achieve this. You don't even need the most expensive beauty sponge and stuff, right? The tool and the technique that you need is already with you, which is your fingers. Okay,
'Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking